Let's see how we can quickly select lists or databases. If we have an Excel file in which we have a normal list or database, we simply select any cell and on the keyboard we press Control. In this way, it does not select the entire list. Also, if in the event that we do not have a numeric keypad, because we work with a laptop, and it does not have a numeric keypad, if we click any cell on the keyboard, we click Shift Control and the most of the text keyboard. In this way, it does us the same as Control, because at the end of the day, we are giving Control too. Another way can be any cell and we press Control E of Spain. In this way, it also selects the entire list, but if we have the list in table format, there is a difference in doing it with Control. Or Control E if we go to a list where we have table format. If we select any cell, in this case we give a Control or Control Shift. And we see that it selects the entire database list, including the headers. If we only want to select the data, what we do is click on any cell, click Control E for Spain, and only the part of the data is selected. The header does not select us. I hope you like this trick, and I leave you a video above that may interest you with more tricks. Until the next video.